Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Suraj. In this video today I will tell you Digital Deepak Intensive Program Review. This is the second video of the series. You can find the link of the video in the I button in the description box. You can watch that video first. Okay, so in this video I will show you whole concept behind the Digital Deepak Intensive Program, the cashback facilities, the LMS, their support system, how the whole thing works. So I will take you through my screen and I will show you whole concept of the Digital Deepak Intensive Program Review. So be bear with me and watch the whole video. This is the dashboard of the Digital Deepak Intensive Program. Okay, so there are 13 kind of total assignment, that is week 1 success mindset, week 2 marketing fundamentals, week 3 discovering your profitable niche, in which you can discover and find your niche that you want to work for, week 4 creating your blog, WordPress blog. Okay, week 5, week 6, week 7, week 8, 9, 10, in which you will learn the Facebook ad, Google ads, SEO you will learn in week 10. Okay, so there is a total 13 kind of assignment including the bonus video. Okay, inside the bonus video you can find there is a 4 kind of assignment, that is the digital freelancing, digital mentoring, and the affiliate marketing. Okay, so this is a kind of 4 kind of personal branding mastery. Okay, so this is the video of the Digital Deepak program, although I cannot play it because it's their assets and property. I don't have right to play in front of you. Okay, you can watch at it your own. Okay, so this is the total dashboard facility of the Digital Deepak program. Okay, so in where you can just like download the assignment in the raw format, and you have to upload here and get the approve from their team. Okay, so this is the process. There is you will find there is a timer running over there. Okay, and within the deadline you have to upload this assignment on your this dashboard. Okay, so this is the total program that you can find here on this LMS screen. Okay, now I will take you to the screen where the cashback facility. So here you can check the cashback facility. Okay, so here you can check this is the cashback facility. When you will do the assignment, and you will get the cashback back in the form of course the money. Okay, so in week 1 I got the 501 rupees, in week 2 502 rupees. Okay, in week 3 503 rupees, so on. You can find there is a cashback the whole of the amount. Okay, so in the last bonus week you will got total 3001 rupees. Okay, so this is the totally amazing kind of strategy behind this program. So anyone can learn and anyone can get a cashback when someone do the assignment. Okay, so this is the total thing that you can get inside the cashback dashboard. Okay, so you will get lots of video as a bonus by the Digital Deepak sir. There's a lot of bonus videos you will get from the Digital Deepak sir. Okay, so as you can see my email that I paid total 17669 INR. Okay, so this I paid to the Digital Deepak including the GST, that is 1800 around was the, or 1700 around was the GST, in which they returned me the total 1579 rupees. Okay, so rest of the amount were the GST settlement. Okay, so this is like a total win-win kind of situation where you can learn this program by the Digital Deepak and get the this is the internship calendar of the Digital Deepak. Okay, so in which they will define the assignment release date, the live Q&A session, and the deadline date. Okay, this is the whole 3 process will be defined here. Okay, So whole thing will be defined according to the timeline. So this is the very structured program with the digital Deepak. Okay, so you will not find any issue. You will just get a good kind of experience with this program. Okay, so I will take you to through the intensive reward. So here you can check, I have already show you the intensive reward, where they will also like send you the intensive reward. And one thing that I should tell you, if you get a DMAT exam and if you score good marks, you will get extra bonus. That here they have already mentioned that 12,000 rupees is like a earning for all the interns. Okay, the top 20% interns will get extra 8,000 rupees, that is 20,000 rupees. Okay, and guaranteed earning for top 10 interns 2%, that is 30,000 rupees. So if you have like a get the good score in the DMAT exam, or like a they will just like a look on the overall your criteria, and they will select you on their basis. Okay, so you will get a good opportunity and good kind of earning from their program. Okay, so this is the same thing. Okay, so here are some bonuses from Digital Deepak. Like you will get DV thing, free DV thing. Okay, digital marketing tools mastery that I showed you earlier. Okay, Zapier mastery course that I show show you here, I think. Okay, so this you will all get you from the Digital Deepak. Okay, and the best thing about this course, you will get support from there. Okay, so I will take you my Telegram. Okay, where you will find there like a their community. So you can find this is the batch 9 mastermind community, in which they're all kind of like a person will support you. Okay, there is a lot of 556 members are there. Okay, so this is the great community created by your batch. Okay, for by the Digital Deepak. Okay, so rest of the all the things are great. So I will suggest you guys to go for this program. You will really get a good amazing benefits from this program. You will learn a lot, and you will do assignment, you will get uh, your cash back. Okay, so like you have very kind of good opportunity with the Digital Deepak intensive program. Alud, he is a good marketer in the digital marketing in this marketing. Okay, so I will suggest you just go to for these courses and purchase these courses. Few things I also show you certificate from the Digital Deepak, which is blockchain verified certificate, and anyone can access from anywhere. Okay, so I will show you the certificate of the Digital Deepak. Okay, so here you can check the Digital Deepak intensive program. Now his company name is Learn Today. Earlier it was the Pixel Track. Okay, so you can check the credential of this certificate. Let me just get you through that. Just one moment. Okay, so here you can find okay, so here you can check the credential of the certificate. When you check, it will be redirected to the one side that is blockchain verified. Okay, so here you can check my certificate online. Okay, and this is the verified and issuer date, and who is the issuer. Okay, so this is the great opportunity with the Digital Deepak. You will get a good kind of certificate, that is certificate of graduation. Okay, actually it's a digital marketing certificate. Okay, so just go for the program, you will get a good opportunity. So thank you very much. The week one assignment worksheet, you have to download it and convert it in PDF, and you have to upload it. So I am showing you one look that you will get an idea how does you can do the assignment and upload it on their LMS. Okay, so this is the assignment that this is the week first assignment that I am showing you. Okay, so overall, I will say you that you can go for the Digital Deepak internship program. You will get an amazing benefit by this program. So if you like the video, if you subscribe the video, that it will benefit for me. Please do like and subscribe my video, okay, and please share with your friends who has need this kind of opportunity. Okay, I will put the link of their program in the description box, or you can ask me in the comment, I will send you. Okay, you will also message me on in the Instagram. You can find my Instagram ID in the description box. Okay, so thank you very much.